Tampa's AC installation specialist, Bay Area Air Conditioning, can show you exactly why you're going to spend 2 to 3 times too much on cooling and heating this year. Unless you act today, you'll end up looking at your energy bill and regret not installing a heat pump air conditioning system sooner. Bay Area Air Conditioning has already helped over 30,000 families around you to cut hundreds from their utility bills. And as the steamy Tampa nights start to become more frequent, it's time to consider upgrading your AC system so you can save. Starting at just $62 a month or easy pay zero interest financing, Bay Area Air Conditioning can help you save while making your new heat pump pay for itself. Additionally, you can also save up to $1,300 in utility incentives and discounts. Of course, no one says harsh Tampa winter until they look at their electric bill. Before Bay Area Air Conditioning made heat pumps affordable to install, your neighbors, maybe just like you, relied on expensive and inefficient electric heating systems to get by on the worst of Tampa's winter nights. All the nights of inefficient heating add up on electric bills, a cost you can cut by 2, 3, even 4 times or more with more efficient heat pump heating. Until now, many homeowners just accepted the cost because installing a new heat pump in Tampa was just too expensive. Fortunately, Bay Area Air Conditioning has just made a heat pump installation more affordable than ever. To guarantee you'll be eligible for zero interest savings and to let your energy savings pay for your heating pump installation, contact Bay Area Air Conditioning today for a free no-risk consultation by calling the number below or by filling out the simple form on our website.